Real quick video for you to let you know and kind of walk you around the proverbial park of the fact that it's happening again. And this goes directly to things I've been talking to you guys about now for a while, looking at price action leading up to the launch of Shiba Inu. Did a video earlier today talking about this right here, the fact that the PuppyNet activity has stopped and PuppyNet is the testnet version of Shiba Inu. What does this mean? It means that, and I'll show you the graphic here. It means that they have stopped testing the test version. They've stopped transactions in the test version of Shiba Inu. And that means right there where that graphic, see that red? This was transactions, and then it has almost come to a complete stop. That means that they are no longer running transactions through the test version of Shiba Inu. Again, what does that mean? Getting ready to launch. What does that mean as it relates to the price action? Right here, you see it. Shiba Inu has turned from being flat earlier today to basically being up 4+%. Now, the overall market getting a little bit of lift, which is good news. We need a broad market, money moving into Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other things. XRP's up 2%. That's good to see. But if we look at SHIB, we've got Shiba Inu up 4.5% right now in the 24-hour, up 14% on the 7-day, but also right there with it is Bone up 3.4%. And just to show you that it's happening here as well, we've got Leash up 7%. What does this mean? It means, again, that the price of all three of the Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, Bone, Leash, Shiba Inu, are going to continue to rise as we roll into the launch of Shiba Inu. Now, again, remember what I've told you. There quite possibly will be a sell-off a little bit as we get to the launch of Shiba Inu. It's, buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay, remember, I'm telling you just straight up. Okay, I'll see you. Go make some money. See you.